Evening, folks. Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Tuesday, December the 7th. We're breaking Bomb Box full-size helmets. She is a one-box break. We randomed up our 72 remaining box numbers. We got number 48. We just started the series tonight. We did random team sales on this, or random division sales on this on the bottom left. We've already randomized divisions, customers, alphabetized everyone. Gave you all a chance to trade. No offers though, so here we go. Guys, really don't know. Well, bam! Nice solid hit there, folks. Gonna be the second consecutive NFC East hit, though, guys. That is going to be the Dak Prescott Hydro Authentic Beckett and Dak holograms on that card with it, folks. Bam! Going to be Dak Prescott, everybody. With NFC East. Well, there's a nice hit for Pool Boy, guys. Let me just double check that. I never understood why Dallas was in the fucking East. Yes, sir. NFC East. Just double checking. NFC East. So going to be a Pool Boy hit. Again, a very nice Dak Prescott Hydro Authentic. I'm telling you, man, Dallas and Cardinals are Dallas and Cleveland are just two teams I can't figure out, man. They got all the talent in the world and just can't seem to play consistent ball. We do got CD in the series too there for you guys. And it's going to be a Pool hit. Pool's first hit of the night there. No 2s, 4 or higher. Eight times. We got Pool and Mark. Going to be qualifiers number 5 and 6. We're only 3 boxes into our series, folks. Tons of big hits out there, as you can see on the right from the checklist. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Stop on by and join us. Click those follow and subscribe buttons if you have not. Join the Facebook group if you have not. Y'all have a wonderful night.